Cinematic intro. Deep ocean waves crashing, camera rising slowly to reveal a colossal silhouette cutting through the mist. Narrator. Deep, cinematic tone. Beneath the roaring waves, something unstoppable moves, a steel behemoth built for dominance, designed for survival, and destined to rule the seas. It's not just a ship, it's a fortress, a moving weapon, and a symbol of 21st century power. Welcome to the future of naval warfare. Welcome to the Sea Titan 2050, the world's most advanced warship. Cinematic music builds with low hums of turbines and radar pings echoing. From the outside, it looks almost unreal, sleek, dark, and invisible to radar. Every inch of its frame screams innovation. Built using stealth-coated composite materials and magnetic signature reduction systems, the Sea Titan is practically undetectable, gliding through oceans like a ghost. But this is no ordinary warship. It's an intelligent predator of the seas, equipped with next-generation sensors, AI-guided weapons, and a brain that never sleeps. Cut to slow-motion shot of the ship launching from dock, sailors standing tall. The estimated price, around $7.2 billion USD. A price tag that defines its sheer complexity, and a reminder that absolute maritime superiority doesn't come cheap. Inside the heart of the Sea Titan, power hums with precision. Its dual hybrid propulsion system combines gas turbine engines with advanced electric drives, generating over 100,000 horsepower. This monster can reach speeds beyond 35 knots, despite weighing over 14,000 tons. Its operational range stretches past 12,000 nautical miles, allowing it to circle the globe with minimal refueling. And the sound? Almost none. Engineers call it the whispering steel. Its acoustic profile is so low that even top-tier enemy sonar systems struggle to detect it. Camera pans through interior corridors, glowing blue control panels, holographic tactical screens. Step inside, and you find yourself in a command center from the future. Every system, from navigation to targeting, is monitored by artificial intelligence. The AI doesn't just assist, it thinks. It can predict threats, simulate enemy strategies, and deploy countermeasures faster than any human crew could react. The captain's bridge isn't lined with gauges or dials anymore. It's covered in interactive glass panels displaying live data feeds, satellite imagery, and 3D tactical projections. It's not just a ship, it's a floating data fortress. But technology means nothing without protection. That's where the armor comes in. The Sea Titan's outer hull is forged from multi-layered titanium steel composites, capable of withstanding direct missile strikes. Beneath that lies an anti-shock skeleton, a layered inner hull designed to absorb explosions, keeping the crew safe even during heavy bombardment. And speaking of bombardment, the Sea Titan's firepower redefines naval warfare. Cut to cinematic slow motion, missiles launching into the night sky, cannons firing. On its upper deck rests a modular vertical launch system with 128 missile cells. Each cell can carry anti-ship, anti-air, or land attack missiles, giving the ship versatility to strike across any domain. The hypersonic missiles on board can travel over Mach 7, hitting targets thousands of miles away within minutes. Its close-range defense system, a combination of laser turrets and railguns, capable of intercepting incoming threats at lightning speed. One burst of its electromagnetic cannon can destroy an enemy drone or missile mid-air, silently, instantly, and with terrifying precision. But that's not all. The ship's autonomous drone bay releases swarms of underwater and aerial drones that scout, defend, and attack. Each drone is linked by encrypted quantum communication, forming a digital shield that makes surprise attacks nearly impossible. Scene transitions to living quarters, crew resting, gym facilities, mess hall with digital interfaces. For the crew, comfort is key. The Sea Titan is not just about war, it's about endurance. Cabins are designed for long missions, featuring adaptive lighting, temperature control, and smart oxygen management. There's even an onboard med bay equipped with robotic surgery systems and AI medical assistance, ensuring survival in any condition. Communication across the ship is seamless. Crew members wear smart helmets connected to a private neural network, allowing instant coordination. From the deck to the command room, it's as if the ship itself listens, learns, and adapts. Cut to shots of the ship sailing through stormy weather. In the face of chaos, towering waves, enemy fire, or stealth ambushes, the Sea Titan stands unshaken. Its stabilization system uses real-time gyroscopic balancing, keeping it level even in Category 5 storms. That stability gives it the edge in precision targeting, a crucial factor in modern sea battles. But what truly sets the Sea Titan apart is its battlefield adaptability. This isn't a ship built for one purpose, it's a modular platform. In under 24 hours, it can transform from a missile destroyer into a drone carrier or electronic warfare vessel. The U.S. Navy describes it as a ship that evolves. Every mission teaches the AI something new, making the next operation smarter, faster, deadlier. And the future. Engineers are already planning upgrades that sound like science fiction. Soft, visionary music begins. Within the next decade, the Sea Titan could feature directed energy weapons, autonomous repair systems, and submarine hybrid propulsion, allowing it to dive below surface levels temporarily to evade detection. The possibility of fusion-powered engines is being explored, giving it limitless range. Imagine a warship that never needs refueling, operating silently beneath the horizon, powered by the same energy that fuels the stars. Its AI core will soon evolve into a semi-sentient combat mind, capable of managing thousands of simultaneous engagements across land, air, and sea. A digital admiral commanding its fleet. Cinematic montage. Missiles launching, drones flying, ship cutting through sunset waves. This is not just a warship. It's a declaration that the future belongs to those who command the oceans. The Sea Titan 2050 is not merely a vessel, it's a revolution in steel and circuitry, built to ensure that no adversary can hide, and no threat can stand. Pause. Music fades slightly. In a world where technology defines power, this ship is the ultimate symbol of dominance. It stands not just as a guardian of nations, but as a reminder of what humanity can achieve when innovation meets ambition. Soft outro music, calm sea horizon shot. This is American Future Hub, bringing you the stories that shape tomorrow's world, from the skies, the battlefields, and the deep oceans where history is still being written. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of naval warfare, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Because the future has only just begun. Fade out with logo, American Future Hub, echo of ocean waves.